The 2011 census of India was the dash National Census of India. 15th. Who coined the name Meghalaya? S.P. Chatterjee. The state of Uttarakhand was formed in which year? (2000). The Geological Survey of India was established in which year? (1851). Which was the royal throne of the rulers of the Kingdom of Mysore? Golden Throne. Which is the busiest airport in India? Indira Gandhi International Airport. Which refinery is known as the birthplace of the oil industry in India? Digboy Refinery. Which Mughal emperor's army defeated and killed Ibrahim Lodi? Babur. Who was the chief guest of India's first Republic Day parade in 1950? Sukarno. Where is the headquarters of the Election Commission of India located? New Delhi. When is National Vaccination Day observed annually in India? March 16. Where is the High Court for the state of Odisha located? Cuttack. Chandrayaan 1 was launched by ISRO in which year? (2008). Which Mughal emperor was born at Dahod in Gujarat? Aurangzeb. In which year was the Reserve Bank of India nationalized? 1949.